Hello, my name is Gabrielle Ray and I'm the project manager for EAS Congress 2024. Really happy to be here in Lyon and working with the venue. So far we are using over 25 different halls. The operational team has been amazing. Everybody has been so helpful with all of our requests. We have over 125 catering requests and meetings. So working with Sophie has been a pleasure. She has been very helpful and attending to every one of our requests. I just want to say thank you and we'll be back again.